Here with MedWrench. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are watching, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know where you're calling in from. I'm actually here at the MedWrench office in Atlanta, Georgia, and I have on the call with me today Bindi Lane, who is Probe Lab Manager, and Bob Burchart, who is VP of Technical Operations at Conquest Imaging, and they are calling in from their Indiana facility. So, hi, Bindi and Bob. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, thank you all for joining us here in beautiful Indianapolis area. And we welcome you to Conquest Imaging, an MXR imaging company. This is our depot repair facility. We're going to take you on a tour of what we do here, which is ultrasound probe repair and portable ultrasound system repair. So if you'll follow us, we'll take you out to our repair floor. So to the left here, to my left, is our research and development lab. We have a fully staffed R&D team here with mechanical and electrical engineers, and we do all of our own engineering work on the probes as well as the portables. So this is our repair floor. As I mentioned, we do portables and probes. So we're kind of split up with one half of the floor portables, one half probes. Behind me here is our portable repair side. We work on sonocytes, the full GE portable line, as well as the Philips CX50, CX30 line here. So we have a team of technicians and engineers that work on the systems as they come in, and they go to component level repair as well. So now I'll turn it over to Bindi Lane, and she'll give you a tour of our probe lab.
Hi. Over here we have Megan, and Megan is the one that does all the quoting for our customers on the system side as well as the probes. On this far side over here, we have Darren sitting back there. He does all the incoming inspection, where we do a inspection and then we take it through pictures, leakage, and the first call.
So as we're walking here, this is just some of our test beds and things, and Bindi will explain our live testing and so on when we talk about our quality program.
In this area, this is where our repair techs are at. The first section is made up of minor repairs, then we have advanced repairs, and we have the TEE repairs. Over here you can see where we do the lens and the strain release and all the, these are also the repairs that we are capable of doing.
Thank you, Bindi. So tell me, what makes Conquest Imaging's probe repair program different?
Our program is different because of the pride that we all take in the work we do. And the thing we're the most proud of is that our quality policy is we don't want anything to leave this building with that we would not want used on our family. And I believe that sets us a shade above most companies. And also, there's a lot of experience here. Many of us have over 35 years, and that's counting the managers as well as some of our technicians.
I love that. So what is the most important aspect of the probe repair program that a hospital would consider when choosing a vendor?
I think our quality is number one, but besides that is our repairs. We do many repairs for a lot of the OEMs. We do an exchange, and so we're very proud of that we can offer that to hospitals.
That's great. So can you tell us more about your probe repair quality system?
Yes, every probe that comes in goes through a full inspection, and also pictures are taken of it, and then everything is live tested. That way it brings out problems that you would not see otherwise. This way we can tell if it's got CW noise or any other things, electronic issues and things like that that you cannot tell without the live testing.
Thank you, Bendy.
Okay.
Hi, Bob.
Next.
So I know Conquest Imaging has been busy the past year, and obviously 2020 is right around the corner. So what is on the horizon for Conquest Imaging's probe repair technology and advancement?
Certainly. One of the major things that we're actually launching in January is our own internal transesophageal repair. We'll be focusing on some of the Philips 3D 4D models as well as the GE and GE 3D 4D models. And that's going to launch, like I said, in January. We're doing continuous improvement on processes and tooling and things like that, but we'll also be looking at some more advanced repairs such as arrays and cables, some of which we do now, but getting into that more. And then the other project that will come to fruition in 2020 is we will be achieving our ISO 13485 certification. And we're very proud to be able to launch that as well.
I bet. It sounds like you guys have a lot to look forward to in the new year.
Absolutely.
So I know that patient safety is the #1 priority for you guys. So how do the new FDA guidelines for probe repair affect Conquest? And then what are your plans?
Certainly. Well, obviously we have read through the guidelines and are very familiar with what they say and what they want us to do. Ironically, a lot of what the FDA's guidelines now state, we already do. So we do material analysis, and that includes everything from an adhesive that we're going to use to glue two pieces together, to the plastics and silicone materials and other things that are utilized to actually build a probe. We make sure they're medical grade, that they're OEM compliant, and we keep those records. We also have written work instructions for every repair type. Those are documented, material safety data sheets. When it comes to arrays, we have experience with acoustic power testing, so we can follow those guidelines. And if we need to do anything in the future, as far as like a 510K, which the FDA's calling out some, we'll be in a position to be able to achieve that. So we feel pretty good that we're well positioned.
That's great. So is there anything else that you want to add before we wrap it all up?
Yeah, we'd like to, and I'm going to turn the camera here, introduce you to our team here. And let me turn that around. Oh, sorry. I got the camera wrong. Pardon me.
You got the whole team there.
There we go. There's our team. But anyway, from Conquest Imaging, MXR Imaging Company, we'd like to wish you a happy holiday from our team here.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to chat with me today. If you do want to know more about Conquest Imaging, you can visit their website. The URL is streaming across the video. That is a great resource to obviously learn more about their probe repair program, but they also offer education opportunities as well as parts on systems and as well. So yes, thank you everyone for tuning in. We're also posting a link in the comment section here. And then of course, if you do have any questions, you can comment here as well. They'll be able to see those comments and questions that you have and be able to respond to you accordingly. So thank you again, and I will see everyone soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.